All right, we're here with Coach Warren Barrett at Mount Pleasant. Coach, I mean, you haven't had a win in 6 games now, but I mean, the performances have been better, though you haven't gotten a win, a couple of drawn games. How do you assess today's performance by your team?
It was a decent showing. As I think we have been seeing good uplifting signs from the second half of the Mobile United game. So that's 2.5 games. We have kept 2 consecutive clean sheets, which was our hallmark, especially during the first round of the season. We were scoring goals, creating opportunities. I think that is the missing piece. We are creating opportunities, but we are not converting, and I think we can improve on our decision making also in the final third. But again, there are areas that we're pleased with. Some areas we still need to improve on. Still 4 games to go, and hopefully then we can look forward to the playoffs. So it's we still have time in our hands to go back to the training pitch, do some work in the final third, and hopefully we'll get it right as the season progresses.
Yeah. Also, what I must ask is that the goalkeeper is the man of the match. Is that good, or is that bad? Or there are 2 ways to look at it. Is it that he was doing a lot of work, or he just had an exceptional performance? How do you assess that?
I don't know who were those who selected a man of the match. He made 1 brilliant save in the first half. Apart from that, which other save did he make? He was clean in his catches at 3 or 4 corners, but he didn't have anything else to do apart from that. So it sort of opposes me, but hey, whoever makes those decisions, it's fine. But as I've said in the past, we have 3 excellent goalkeepers, so we can close our eyes and select any one for any game. Unfortunately, Tafari, as you know, is down injured. But that's what we expect from our goalkeeper, to make saves when called upon at crucial times, and he did that today, especially in the first half. He was clean. His distribution, for the most part, was pretty good as well. So we're pleased, as I said, with the defensive aspect of our game. We saw that the last 2 games, the forward thrust, Trevante and the other players in the forward positions. We need to connect a bit more in the final third, make better decisions, and also we need to keep our composure when we get those crucial chances.
And finally, you also brought in Melvin Duxley from the Portmore game and this game. Player injured, carded, but he has played very well in both games. Now, players come back. I mean, how as a coach you move from there? Player is on form, but you had players who were in position, got injured. How do you make that decision going forward as to who stick and stays in your starting 11, seeing that he has had 2 excellent performances?
That's a good headache for the technical staff to have. But if you have players performing, then I think as a coach, then it's easier for you. If you have players who are not performing, then you're going to be worried. So right now, as I said, we're not worried. The fact that Duxley and Captain Ladale have been pretty solid the last 2 games. So it's just for them to continue to work hard. Topi and Dyer, then it's for them to come back, show what they are worth in training, try and push those who have replaced them. Because at the end of the day, if you have replaced a player and you're performing well, then I think it's only right for you to maintain your position. But like I said, different games, sometimes we make changes depending on our opponents. But so far we're pleased, especially the last 1.5 games, as I said. And Duxley has come in, and yes, he has been solid. He has personality. He uses the ball well. I think the communication between him and Ladale is first class. So we're just happy that we have a number, at least 4 or 5 good centre backs who we can call upon depending on any given day.
All right, Coach, I want to thank you for your time and all the best for the rest of the season. I said to people, what an epic final it would be if it were Mount Pleasant versus Arnett Gardens. So
still a long way to go. Still a long way to go. Yeah. So
yeah, man, but
as I said, we'll take it day by day. Still a work in progress. But I said, even though we have been going through 5-6 games without a win, we are pretty pleased with what we have seen, especially the last 1.5 games. So let's hope we can build on that.